Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is buy and hold. Jack Bogle, the famous founder of the Vanguard Fund, believes so much in buy and hold that he created the S&P 500 index fund, and he believed in owning that forever effectively. He wanted you to own and buy the best companies in America for low-cost management fees and let those investments compound over time with dividends, etc. It was also incredibly tax efficient because you could hold those securities for long periods of time and not pay taxes on them until you sold them. Now, this strategy is an important strategy that even Warren Buffett uses to identify the best companies that are growing and profitable and reinvesting over long periods of time. Now, there's a lot to be said about this strategy, buy and hold. I trade, but I trade for a specific reason. Most people should not trade, in my opinion. Why? Because they'll never re-enter a stock they sold for a trade that really has a long-term uptrend. They try to time the market and they miss out. If you look at some of the history about long-term bull markets, there's research out there that shows if you missed the top 21 days, you went from, say, a 20% return to an 8% return. Now, I'm not going to get into specifics, but buy and hold makes sense for a lot of people, especially people that have a long horizon and want to invest in the best names. Now, buy and hold can be dangerous if you think, wow, I'm going to buy and hold this little penny stock. Because if they don't have earnings and power in a long-term history, and they're not in a business that's going to grow over time, a buy and hold strategy can kill you. However, done right, buy and hold makes sense. Today's word is buy and hold, an important strategy developed by Jack Bogle, Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett, and many other long-term investors that believe in this strategy.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.